Yo, bro.
Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. Today, we're going to be talking about my top 5 moonshot investments. First on my list is going to be ticker BRPHF. This is a company called Galaxy Digital, and they are in the backgrounds of the entire crypto industry, and they are slept on, and not enough people know about them. So, from their website, Galaxy Digital is a technology-driven financial services and investment management firm that provides institutions and clients with a full suite of financial solutions spanning the full digital assets ecosystem. They also acquired BitGo, which is the largest institutional crypto custodial provider in the world. So that's a huge deal, and they're trading at like $5 a share. All the while everyone's going crazy about Coinbase. I mean, come on, guys. Next on the list is ticker ETNX. This is Entasis Therapeutics. Entasis Therapeutics is focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of targeted antibacterial products that address high unmet medical needs to treat serious infections caused by multi-drug resistant pathogens. That's the key here. So essentially, this company is one of the few companies out there that is actually making progress in finding a solution to multi-drug resistant bacteria, which is one of the UN's top threats to humanity as a whole. So if you guys don't know, things like MRSA and staph infection are very deadly. These are bacterial infections that people can get in the hospital and that are resistant to any type of antibiotics, and so they're very deadly, and if they were to spread across the world, it could be a catastrophe. Next on the list, LTMCF. This is Lithium Chile. Lithium Chile has ownership in the largest high-grade lithium reserves in the world, comprising of 68,800 hectares in Chile and 23,000 hectares in Argentina. The top priority projects have positive chemistry results from sampling, as well as community approval to drill. Lithium Chile also owns 5 properties that are prospective for gold, silver, and copper. It boasts a management team that's with proven leadership in the lithium space, as well as an experienced Chilean and Argentinian-based technical team. The lithium-ion battery sector continues to see sustained high growth, which is forecast to continue long-term. So again, this is essentially a lithium mining company that is trading as a penny stock. And as you guys know, we need more lithium for batteries, for electric cars, for phones, and so forth. And they are also mining copper gold. Number 4 on our list is going to be ticker UGRO. This is a company called UGRO. It's an agricultural technology startup. UGRO operates as an engineering design services company that integrates complex environmental equipment systems to create indoor cultivation facilities for the commercial horticulture market in the United States, Canada, and Europe. The company also offers engineering and design services, including cultivation space programming, integrated cultivation design, and full facility mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineering training services ranging from, and it goes on and on. So essentially, the whole vertical farming trend that's going on, this is one of those companies. They're trying to make farming more efficient, trying to create more food with less land, and I'm all into that. But for number 5, it's going to be ticker POWW. This is Ammo Incorporated. Ammo Incorporated designs, produces, and markets ammunition and ammunition component products for sport and recreational shooters, hunters, and individuals seeking home or personal protection. It also provides ammunition for for law enforcement and military agencies. The company also owns gunbroker.com, an auction site that supports the sale of firearms, ammunition, hunting, shooting accessories, etc. It also has some patented bullets, like the streak visual ammunition that enables shooters to see the path of bullets fired by them, and several other things. So basically, this is an ammo company that also owns gunbroker.com. It's kind of hard to invest in like the gun or the ammo industry because most of the players are established. So it's nice to find a smaller startup type company that's in the firearms industry and is a little bit more diversified. It's not just making ammo. You know, they have gunbroker.com, they have some patented types of ammunition, they have some contracts with law enforcement and so forth. So that's why it's on my list. I tried to keep this list of 5 moonshot investments diversified. So we have some in the crypto space, we have some in the bio space, we have some in the agricultural technology space, and then we have some firearms and some mining companies. So again, No Cap Invest is about being diversified and not just investing in one industry, one stock, one security, one crypto. It's about building a broad portfolio. Thank you for watching No Cap Invest. Like, subscribe. See you next time.
Hallo. Hunde am Spielen. Oh. Hey, you wanna go there too? Huh?